Have you ever dreamed of living in a place where it actually feels like a getaway every single day? Welcome to Horseshoe Valley, where life feels like a weekend every day. Hi, I'm Gemma Leggett, real estate broker with Remax Hallmark Your Group, and today I am showing you a home that it's not just big, it's bold. We're talking nearly 5,000 square feet of living space. Yes, 5,000. That's like enough room to host a party and still lose your kids for a solid 20 minutes. But before we even step inside, let's talk about why people are moving in Horseshoe Valley. Skiing in the winter, mountain biking, or treetop trekking in the summer, golf course just around the corner, this is perfect. And the Vettä Nordic Spa just minutes away, perfect for those treat yourself days when you need a little rest, a little recharge, and a whole lot of relaxation. Want to raise your kids here? Well, there is a brand new elementary school opening and a French immersion school launching this September 2025. Tucked away on a quiet court with friendly neighbors, wide open space, and fresh air that actually smells like vacation, and you've got the perfect place to call home. It's not just a lifestyle upgrade, it's a life reset. And now, let me show you the home that brings it all together. Set on a massive pie-shaped plot, nearly half an acre, this home is located into a quiet cul-de-sac with mature trees and a fully fenced backyard. You'll have privacy space to play and the perfect setting for a future pool. Are you ready? Let's go! Right from the entrance, this home says, wow. You're greeted by a two-story open foyer, heated style, floors, and sightlines that just keeps going. And to your right, step into a warm and welcoming living room with rich hardwood floors, elegant French doors, and a sleek wet bar ready to impress. Whether it's a cozy Netflix night or a more formal visit with friends, this space set the perfect tone for both comfort and class. Across the hall is your formal dining room, perfect for gathering the whole family around, a beautifully set table, sharing story over a holiday roast, turkey, or birthday cake. Now follow me and try not to lose me, okay? Welcome to the living room, soaring open to above ceilings. Massive windows flooding the space with natural light. Gleaming hardwood floors and a cozy gas fireplace made for real-life memories, big and small. This thoughtfully designed kitchen blends timeless style with everyday functionality. A custom baking island with both water and electrical hookups takes the center stage. Ideal for meal prep, casual family breakfast, or weekend baking session. Sleek stainless steel appliances include a gas stove with a stunning range hood, a second built-in oven, a spacious fridge, and set all against a elegant quartz countertop and a chic marble backsplash. Oversized heated tile brings warmth and sophistication underfoot, making the space as comfortable as it is beautiful. Just off the kitchen, the sunny breakfast area overlooks the backyard, offering a warm and peaceful spot for you to enjoy your morning coffee or watch the seasons change. The dedicated office is bright, spacious, and finished with hardwood floors and a serene backyard views, just steps from the wet bar, because productivity is better with proximity to snacks. Now this is where it gets fancy. Take your pick from either staircases, and you'll find an open to below layout that makes the whole upper level feel extra luxurious. You've got 4 large bedrooms with each its own personality. One bedroom has its own ensuite, the other 2 shares a lovely bathroom, and everyone gets space, privacy, and peace. The primary suite, double door entrance, large windows, a spacious walk-in closet, and a 6-piece ensuite featuring a large soaker tub, a skylight that lets the sunshine in, a dedicated makeup vanity, and yes, a bidet, adding that little touch of je ne sais quoi. Then we got a bonus room, meditation, crafting, secret snack stash, whatever you would like. And yes, it's okay if you never want to leave. Downstairs, it's basically a second house. A fully finished walkout basement with a cozy gas fireplace, a full bathroom, a fifth bedroom, a second laundry room, roughed in a kitchen, and a bunch of rooms you can use however you want. Gym, games room, office, in-law suite, just storage for all your Christmas decor, you pick. Let's now talk backyard goals. Interlock patio, 2 gas hookup, a storage shed, and space for kids, pets, and maybe a pool or even a hot tub for your dreams. This yurt's transformed with the seasons, from barbecue and backyard parties in the summer to snow angels and cocoa by the fire pit in the winter. It's perfect. Living here isn't just about owning a beautiful home. It's about embracing the Horseshoe Valley lifestyle with resort-style amenities, stunning nature trails, and year-round activities. This is where people come to live fully, raise families, and breathe a little deeper. So whether you're upsizing, relocating, or simply craving a fresh start, this home and this community are ready to welcome you. The full brochure is in the description below, but if you can't find all that you're looking for, I am just one phone call away. I'm Gemma Leggett with Remax Hallmark, your group broker, and here your local realtor.